Not all website builders are created equal, and picking the wrong one can leave you stuck with hidden costs, clunky design tools, or features that you'll just never use. So in this video here, I will walk you through the top platforms and help you figure out which one actually fits your business without the trial and error and tech headaches. And it's worth mentioning too that all of these builders have their positives and negatives, but you really want to make sure that you pick the right one, because switching after you've already created a website is frankly a pretty miserable experience. So let's go ahead and start with the best overall builder, which is Wix. So ever wish that building a website was as easy as piecing together a PowerPoint slide? Well, that's exactly the vibe with Wix. It's ideal for folks who want something professional, fast, and don't want to mess with a single line of code. Wix's drag and drop editor lets you tweak layouts, swap colors, and add your own photos, no tech background required. Honestly, it's almost like cheating how smooth it is. You get access to thousands of polished templates, so you're not stuck reinventing the wheel either. Now, if picking a design makes your head spin, Wix's AI website builder can actually do it for you. Just answer a few questions about your business, and it creates a custom site within minutes. Extras like booking, payments, and contact forms, they're built right in, so there's no need to track down plugins or pay for add-ons that you didn't expect. And it's especially good for small businesses like, a busy hair salon, a local plumber, or a pet daycare. Imagine setting up online appointments, digital payments, and testimonials all in one afternoon. Wix really can help you do it, and you don't need a bunch of technical knowledge to make it happen either. Plus, you could start for free, which is perfect if you're just, kind of testing things out. So to give it a try, you can click right up here or check out the link in the description below, along with all other links to every other platform that I mentioned in this video. Oh, and if you do use any of my links in the description or this one above, they'll give you the absolute best pricing possible. Plus, you'll be supporting me, which I sincerely appreciate. Now, let's get into a few caveats about Wix. So once you pick a template, you're pretty much committed to it. Want to change your look after? Well, you'll need to rebuild. Super advanced features as well, like fancy memberships or huge stores, they require upgraded plans, so costs can climb if your business grows really big. But bottom line, Wix makes launching your website quick and painless for newbies and busy owners. If you want a no-fuss, fast results platform, Wix delivers and they do it well. Next, let's check out what Shopify is bringing to the table for e-commerce businesses. So if your business is all about selling, think about online stores, drop shipping, or even subscription boxes, Shopify is the heavyweight champ. You don't just get a website, you get a powerful storefront with every sales tool built in. From inventory tracking to offering, real-time shipping rates, Shopify wants selling to feel frictionless. On top of that, it handles payments, helps you manage discounts, and even lets you sell on social media, all with a few clicks. And one of the real perks is how scalable it is. So businesses can start small, then ramp up when orders start pouring in. Their app store is stacked with extensions for everything from email marketing, analytics, product reviews, and so on. So your store can really grow alongside your ambition. Customer support is also quick and responsive, which means that even on those stressful launch days, help is available 24/7. But here's the flip side to all that. So Shopify costs more than most website builders, especially when you start adding apps or need premium features. There are also, transaction fees if you use payment gateways other than Shopify Payments. And while you can pick from several themes, truly custom designs or advanced features might mean hiring a developer or learning some code. So if your dream is a thriving online business, selling hundreds or thousands of products at scale, well, Shopify is built for you. And for anyone who just needs like a digital brochure though, the extra firepower may actually feel like overkill. So ready for the most budget-friendly builder now? Let's take a look at Hostinger and how it makes simple sites super affordable. Now, if you're watching every dollar, Hostinger could be your secret weapon for launching a clean, professional website without draining your bank account. Their website builder is bundled with fast hosting and modern mobile responsive templates, so your site works for clients no matter what device they're actually using. The interface is refreshingly simple as well. Think drag and drop and publish, right? And you don't need to mess with techie details to get started either. Now, for solo entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small local businesses, Hostinger lets you put your brand online with just a handful of clicks. You even get free SSL security, which is a little padlock that people look for in Google Chrome, and a branded email address, which adds credibility with customers. And their pricing is upfront, so you know exactly what you're spending each month, and there's no worries about, surprise fees or paying for add-ons that you didn't plan for. Now, there are some clear trade-offs. So Hostinger's customization options are way more limited than platforms like Shopify or Wix. You basically choose a template and stick with it, right? Making only basic tweaks. E-commerce tools are built in, but they're, pretty simple. They're good for a small shop, but not for inventory-heavy or multi-channel selling. Even Wix handles that better. And while their support team is helpful, it isn't always as fast as bigger competitors on lower tier plans. So Hostinger is all about value. You get the essentials to look legit online, you keep costs extremely low, and you avoid complicated tech headaches. But if you want total creative control or plan to scale up quickly, it's worth checking out our next one on the list, which is Webflow. So think of Webflow as the website builder for people who want their site to look unique, sleek, and nothing like a cookie cutter template. Designers love Webflow because it's all about customization. You can tweak every pixel, drag and drop elements, and even tap into advanced features if you're feeling ambitious. If your business wants to stand out visually, Webflow will give you control over layout, colors, animations, and mobile responsiveness that most other builders only dream about. Its built-in content management system, or CMS, is a huge perk for service businesses, agencies, or creative professionals as well. And you can organize everything, right? Blog posts, portfolio items, team bios, and roll out updates at lightning speed. That level of versatility is perfect for companies that want their site to evolve over time or need more than some simple pages. But just a heads up here, so Webflow isn't one-click simple, right? There's a steeper learning curve, and some features like advanced e-commerce and blogging, they aren't as powerful as dedicated platforms. And pricing can be confusing too. The basic plan is affordable, but the real goodies live on pricier tiers. Limited free templates mean that you'll also likely want to start from scratch or budget for a designer if you want something really original. But bottom line, Webflow, it gives creative businesses serious control over how their brand looks and functions online, which is great. Now, if you're willing to put in some time up front, you'll be rewarded with a website that truly shows off what makes your business different. And if you want even more flexibility, let's touch on WordPress and why it makes sense to pair it with the Divi website builder. So WordPress with the Divi builder is the ultimate playground for anyone who wants full control over their website's future. Imagine being able to build any kind of site, from a simple blog to a full-blown online shop or a member portal, and then tweak every piece as your business grows. That's the promise with WordPress and Divi. There's endless customization, drag and drop design, and thousands of plugins for just about every feature imaginable. Divi makes WordPress more approachable by letting you design visually, so you don't need to learn code just to move a button or change a header. Plus, you're never locked into one company's tools. If you want something new later, you just add it in, right? Or you swap a theme or hire a designer to push things further. WordPress powers over 40% of all websites worldwide, which means the support community is massive, and there's a near endless supply of tips and how-tos online. But where's the catch? Well, you'll need your own hosting, I'll link to that below, by the way, and you're responsible for updates, backups, and security. If you want true set it and forget it simplicity, this isn't it. WordPress does give you a lot of power, but expects you to show up for some routine maintenance. And some advanced plugins and custom features, they will cost extra, so budgeting a little bit more upfront usually saves a big headache down the line. But the biggest upside? Well, if you want flexibility and the power to evolve your site long-term to whatever you want, WordPress with Divi is tough to beat. But if the thought of regular tweaks or troubleshooting sounds stressful, one of the simpler builders might fit your style better. All right, let's be honest. So choosing a website builder, it can feel like ordering off a menu that you've just never seen before. So I wanted to help you avoid picking something that doesn't actually fit your needs. And to make this easier, this section right here that I'm going to go over will highlight the things to look for and give recommendations as well. And again, all links with the best pricing are in the description below for you. So ease of use. So if you want something that just works and makes sense the first time that you log in, go with Wix. Its drag and drop interface is super intuitive, and you can build a great looking site without ever touching code. For small business owners or freelancers, it feels like setting up a PowerPoint presentation, only it looks way better. For custom design flexibility, so if you want to build something that feels custom, Webflow is the standout here. It gives you full creative control over every layout and animation. But if you want flexibility and simplicity, Wix still offers a strong middle ground with tons of templates and customization without a steep learning curve. Next is SEO capabilities. In other words, search engine optimization, or how often you'll be found in Google. So your site won't get far if no one sees it. WordPress with Divi is the most SEO flexible option on this list, thanks to its plugins and granular control. But Wix and Shopify, they also give you solid tools for editing meta descriptions, titles, alt text, and generating sitemaps. And next, we have e-commerce features. So if you're planning to sell online, well, Shopify is purpose-built for it. It includes built-in payment processing, shipping tools, inventory tracking, and support for hundreds of apps. If you're on a budget, though, and only need a small store, both Wix and Hostinger have basic e-commerce functionality that does get the job done. And now getting into budget and pricing transparency, well, Hostinger wins for low costs and clear pricing that can lock you in for years. There are no surprise fees, and even the entry-level plans give you branded email and SSL. And then support and uptime. So when your site goes down or something breaks, which does happen, fast help matters. Now, Wix and Shopify both offer strong 24/7 support, and while all the other platforms offer some type of support, I do think that these are the best. And if you're a beginner, sticking with a platform that has responsive support, it can be a lifesaver. And then consider scalability. So some builders are great for, getting started, but not built to grow. If you plan to scale or add new features over time, Wix will, scale pretty far, but WordPress with Divi for larger websites, or Shopify for e-commerce websites is best. Now, again, if you want the absolute best pricing on any of these platforms that I just mentioned and want to save a few bucks and want to support me, which again, I appreciate, please check the description below for every link to each of these platforms to get started. And I do want to say, if you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below. I do respond to all my questions, and I appreciate your feedback. But as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.